Hello everyone, my name is Aaron and today I will show you the program, Python program which will help you in making the Doraemon. It is graphical, so I'm going to show you. This is a code. Open with Visual Studio Code. So, so you can see this is the code which I have written. It is minimum of uh, it is of 300 word lines. So I will show you that how it works. First, I will show you the output. This is the output you can see. I have made functions to make it in Python. Yes, this is finished. So uh, I have made this program. So I will explain you that how it works. This is I have made two functions. Def my goto, define my goto xy. End up mean that the line will go up. This is the function to make eyes. This is the function to make the beard of the Doraemon. This is the function to make the mouth of Doraemon. This is for scarf. This is for nose. This is for eyes, and this is for face, head. And then I have made one more function in which I have given the instruction to computer to make to start from head, then it will make scarf, then it will make face, then it will make nose, then it will make mouth, and then beard. And then in last, I have set the colors that which color it will use. Now, in last I've done write this my name. So this has come, and this code work like this. And for ending, I have written main loop for ending to close the code. And if you have not viewed my Jarvis program, you can go there. So this Doraemon is made. So that's all for this video. Bye.